10th Standard Social Science Model Paper of Achievement Test 4. Lessons selected for Achievement 4 are History 2 lessons, Political Science 2 lessons, Sociology 1 lesson, Geography 3 lessons, Economics 1 lesson, and Business Studies 1 lesson. 4 choices are given for each incomplete statements or questions. Choose the correct answer and write the complete answer along with its letter of alphabet. The words secular and socialist were added through 40th Amendment to the Constitution, 43rd Amendment to the Constitution, 42nd Amendment to the Constitution, 44th Amendment to the Constitution. Correct answer is option C, 42nd Amendment to the Constitution. The state that has the lowest density of population is Punjab, Bihar, Arunachal Pradesh, Delhi. Correct answer is option C, Arunachal Pradesh. Second main, answer the following questions in sentence each. When is Human Rights Day celebrated? Correct answer is December 10th. Which organ of UNO is known as the Cabinet of UNO? Security Council is known as the Cabinet of UNO. Third main, answer the following questions in 4 sentences each. Question number 5. What are the effects of child trafficking? It affects the holistic development of children. Children are exposed to physical, psychological, and sexual exploitation. Many children become infected with HIV or AIDS and other sexually transmitted diseases. They undergo unwanted pregnancy, abortions, forced pregnancies, murders and drug addictions, and many other unwanted developments take place in the society. Or, what are the factors of location of paper industry? Plenty of water, a vast market, supply of cheap labor, transport facilities, power and some chemicals. These are the factors of location of paper industry. What are the reasons for high birth rate in India? Early marriage, religious and social attitudes, polygamy, poverty, tropical climate, etc. These are the reasons for high birth rate in India. Fourth main, answer the following questions in 6 sentences each. What are the preventive measures of cyclones? Cyclones are natural phenomena. We cannot prevent them, but people can pay heed to the warnings. They should keep in touch with radio, television, and other communicative lines. Temporary shelter should be provided during cyclones. Cyclone-proof structure can be constructed. Mangrove forests and other deep-rooted trees can be grown along the coastline to check the impact of cyclonic winds and the soil erosion. These are the preventive measures of cyclones. What are the goals of public expenditure? The goals of public expenditure are promote faster economic development, promote industry, trade and commerce, promote agricultural and rural development, promote balanced regional growth, build socio-economic overheads, example roads, roadways, railways, dams, power, etc., promote full employment and maximize social welfare. These are the goals of public expenditure. Or describe the manner in which Hyderabad joined the Union of India. Hyderabad princely state was ruled by Nizam. He wanted to remain independent and refused to join the independent India. Meanwhile, under the leadership of communists, the farmers of the state revolted against the Nizam and Zamindars. The people, angry with cruel army called Razakas, which had the patronage of Nizam, the government of India sent its military to fight against Hyderabad and defeated the Nizam and integrated Hyderabad into India in 1498. Vallabhbhai Patel could find a solution to this with his firm decision. Fifth main, answer the following questions in 8 sentences each. Question number 9, describe the effects of the First World War. The effects of the First World War were: Germany had to sign Treaty of Versailles, which was an insulting one to Germany. The empires of Austro-Hungary and Ottoman empires lost their existence. Germany lost most of its geographic area. A wave of change swept across the Europe. The physical map of the Europe underwent change. Many new and small countries emerged in Europe. League of Nations came into existence. The German industrialists exploited the unemployment and negative economic growth for their benefit. This aided the growth of dictators like Hitler, who caused the Second World War. The arms manufacturers of France, England, Germany, and USA made profit out of this. These were the impacts or effects of the First World War. Or explain the formation of the General Assembly of the UNO. General Assembly is an affiliated body consisting of representatives from all the member states. Every country sends 5 representatives to this body, but every country has only 1 vote. The general body elects one of its members as the president for a year. Similarly, people are elected for posts of 17 vice president and 7 chairpersons for the 7 permanent committees. The General Assembly meetings begin around September and continue till mid-December every year. For all the important matters of approval, a 2/3 majority is mandatory. General budget is approved in the General Assembly. These are all about the formation of General Assembly of the UNO. Sixth main, question number 10. Draw an outline map of India and mark the following in it. Bhadravati, Visakhapatnam. A. Bhadravati. B. Visakhapatnam.